All right, so yesterday I asked if you preferred the blue or the red, or rose, the pink, for these assemblages that I make based on the Toit de Paris. Et en fait, ma belle-sœur, my sister-in-law, in fact, suggested that I make one with all black and white. Totalement noir et blanc. Just instead of the blue or the pink, do it in black and white. And by the way, isn't it nice to say sister-in-law in French? You say belle-sœur. You know, in English it's sister-in-law, and in French it's ma beautiful sister. There are these four that I'm thinking of working on. C'est un bon candidat. And you see I was bracketing. Always remember to bracket when you're taking photos. Changing the exposure so you can catch all the details. Here's the one we're looking for. Try to recreate that one, and it's this one right here. Now print this out on a piece of tracing paper and then we'll have it. Okay, here we go. And watch this. Grayscale. Discard color information? Yes. Okay. Oh, ça c'est mieux, hein? Ça c'est plus foncé. Maintenant on l'imprimer. We're gonna go print it now. Here it comes. Ça arrive. C'est l'angle là. Vas-y. Vite. Takes forever. It's so annoying, all this technology. And then put this one over. Oh, it's kind of fun, as a matter of fact. I was afraid that the tracing paper was going to be too light, but I think it works well, huh? Let's see what it looks like in a frame. Kind of evens it all out. Hey, not bad. So there you go. See, it's easy, simple. C'est facile, hein? C'est vite fait et agréable. And so if you have any comments or questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to ask. Merci encore à Carl pour son idée de faire un tableau totalement en noir et blanc. And voilà.